alam niyo guys, natakot ako dun kasi, you know, sometimes I did to lagay ng pang, ano ba yun? Tare. And, you know guys, nasugat talaga ako. Ayoko na. I don't wanna try again. Gravel ng manok. Yes. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Guys, mabait kasi sa girls. Hello. Hindi siya nagtutuka. Like, oo, yes. Nagtutuka. Pero hindi siya yung literal na pag hinawakan. If you're gonna hold her, hindi siya papanak. Nakanasan din siya. Good morning! Baligya na tayo. Really, I didn't sell her. Kuha na ba ako na? Wow, you have a lot of viewers. Say good morning. Coco. Good morning. Coco. Right, nagpapakit siya guys. Look, she's closing her eyes. Coco. Say Coco. Bite siya guys. Bye. Asan ang sabaw? Say Coco to them. Good morning po. How are you guys? This is Coco. Welcome to my vlog. I mean, welcome to my life. Coco. Say Coco. Good morning everyone. How are you? Coco, you have a lot of viewers too. Wow. Yeah, lutuin na natin. Complex. Nasa mood siya guys. She wants to talk with you. Coco. I'm gonna transfer here. Coco. Hello Coco. Oh. Hindi naman siya, guys, hindi naman siya yung nananakit na chicken. Hindi siya ganun. Ikaw nasa mood ka ba? Do you think? Wala ako sa mood. Malis-alis ka dito. Joke. Hello guys, I'm still here. My name is Coco now. Can you say Coco to them? Coco. Hello. Coco. Coco daw. Coco. Oh, anong breed ba? I don't know po eh. I love chicken and asal. Me too. But I don't wanna cook this. Let's have a coffee, guys. Hindi siya si Coco. Coco muna daw. Siya. Good morning, Robert. Pwede po yung panabong. I think it's not. Pero guys, yesterday, they are fighting with her sister. I saw them. You have a lot of viewers and followers. So guys, Yeah, pag tuma ito sa mukha mo, tatatayin. I'm gonna make sure pag tuma ito. Say hello to them. Hi. Aba, hawak niya naman ko. Aboyo. Mas maganda hawak ko yung chicken ko kesa yung nothing. Kasi guys, I just finished my naglinis ako dito sa surrounding ko. So I just finished my to clean my backyard guys. Ayun guys, I'm gonna turn you. This is the ayun guys. Yan guys, I don't know if ano yung lahi niya guys. So meron pa ako dun. Ayun no. So, around 11 o'clock, I'm gonna end this live kasi magluluto ako.